Hunting with the Henry rifle has always been my dream. Although the 4440 charged with black powder is considered weak for European big game, at close ranges it is still lethal. We are in the WB shooting center in Hungary that offers an excellent chance to test your skills before actually entering the woods with your new rifle. Hunting situations are never as pure as shooting paper targets in the shooting range. A shooting cinema. Well, that is probably the closest thing to real life. It is springtime, 2024 Hungary, the mountains north of Budapest. The vibrating green colors are a delight for the eye. This is an excellent time to spend some time in the woods with the kids, with my little helpers in making these videos for you. Hungary is a small country. We don't have high mountains, deep seas. A large portion of the artifacts of our history was destroyed by many wars crossing the Hungarian plains over the centuries. But my homeland is full of little secrets, little beauties only visible for those walking with eyes and mind open. I am a passionate traditional hunter, and although I feel pain for killing an animal, I'm proud that I can care for wildlife. I'm proud that I can help preserve their natural habitat. And I'm also happy that I can deliver healthy food to the family table. My grandparents and my parents grew up in a time when there was very limited chance to travel abroad. Politics and money prevented them from seeing the world. But they never complained about this, but enjoyed what this little country offered. I remember the endless summers while camping on the banks of the river Danube. We could play all day long with my brother with logs and stones. I remember fishing with my uncle for breakfast in the morning. And I remember the smell of coffee coming from Grandpa's little espresso maker. Grandpa was not a complicated person. He came back from the Second World War, and if the family was healthy and there was enough food on the table, he was okay. The family had keelboats, or double-screw rowboats as it is called in English. He spent the whole summer camping on the Danube, and he had every gadget that was necessary for a comfortable life. Let me show you his coffee-making set from the 1960s. These little sets were made in Hungary, and although they don't fit into the time or place of the Henry rifle, I just feel it is a good match. The Henry rifle's original cartridge only held around 25 to 28 grains of powder. My cartridges are somewhat stronger. They are charged with 30 grains of 3F Swiss powder and a 240 grain Lyman bullet. The velocity is around 1,200 feet per sec. According to our laws, this delivers enough muzzle energy for roe deer, but it can still be good for wild boar. Refreshed by the good coffee, let's run some cartridges through a 19th century ideal tool. Making your ammo in the woods gives a magic touch to the hunting trip. The ideal tool, patented in 1884, is an excellent companion. It will cast and size your bullet, unprime, resize and prime your case, seat your bullet and crimp the case mouth, all in one handy pliers. It is early June, entering the summertime, short nights and long days. The location is the same, the Pilis Mountains. Far from the tourist routes, in the heart of the forest, the end of the road is a small spring that gives water whole year. Here we place some salt and regularly a bit of corn to stop the game crossing the area. A good location for boar. My first guest is a roe deer though, but this is buck season. Admiring it is the only chance today. It is 8:30 when the buck I saw here a few times arrived, carelessly moving in from the right side. He is on the higher ground, and the distance is not more than 45 meters. This is more than perfect for an open sight hunter, and more than perfect for the handy rifle. At this distance the rifle shoots 5 centimeters high, so I have to be careful where I aim. Our traditions tell us to stop for a moment now. A piece of branch as a last bite, a piece of branch to cover the wound, and a piece of branch touched by the blood of the game are all signs of paying respect for the fallen game. This last one will go on the head of the hunter. Based on the antler and the worn teeth of the buck, the age can be over 6-7 years, meaning that the kill fits the values of selective hunting. What I shoot is opened and cleaned by me, and all the meat will finish on the table. This aspect is always important for me. I would not let anybody do this other than myself.
You shoot it, you take it.